Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. One stock, one time frame, one trade only if my setup appears. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. Target just hit at 1:02 p.m. I was in this trade for 4 hours. 4 hours. Let's recap. Okay, the red line is the high of yesterday. So it opened here, touch it, rejecting, retesting the high of the previous day, and put this pattern here. Touch, reject, close, reject here. So when it broke this wedge flag here, I entered right here at 9:11, got in this trade. So I went back to the high and reject, and never broke the high and closed above. And that's what's been doing all day. And finally hit my target. So again, patience is key in trading. That's the trade for today. I waited for my setup, stayed patient, and execute according to my rules. Entry was clear, the risk was defined, and I exit according to my plan. The important part is that I stay disciplined the whole time. I'll come back tomorrow with the same focus on execution, not results. And always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.